Before you begin, remove the kickstand, display panel assembly, battery, USB HDMI board, and system board. Removal. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure each speaker to the display enclosure. Lift the speakers off of the alignment pins on the display enclosure and remove. Replacement. Place the speakers onto the alignment pins on the display enclosure. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure each speaker to the display enclosure. Route the speaker cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure.